Welcome back, guys. As you know, if you already checked my last two videos, in this we have learned about Node.js, how to install Node.js, how to create application, and how to create different routing on our application. But as you know that our Node.js is not working like that. As professionally, we will not do anything like that. We have to create. But yeah, method is almost the exporting method is a different. We are not creating methods like that as we are doing. We will use the switch method in this as we have shown, because this is a syntax of switch case. So if you have a multiple things and have multiple can use the switch. So first of all, we will before the Node.js we will talk about Express.js. What is the Express? So now we will check here. Express Node.js. Express is a Node.js framework, which is very popular and very easy to use for the developers, and it's very on high demand in clients as well. If you have experience of 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, or 5 year, they will ask you about the Express. Have you worked on this or not? So we will use the same framework on our Node.js application to make it. So if any person, any interviewer you will ask what is Express, you have to just say easily that Express is a framework which is used in the Node.js. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will create our application structure, and not as an application structure, but we will install our Express. So as you know that we have created these files, but now we will not require these things. So we will delete this file like that. And okay, you are on the same directory. Here you are on the same directory in the Node.js. If you can check here by the directory, there is nothing, any file. So first of all, we have to initialize our application. The first command is npm init. Here's the question is, what is npm? Npm is a node package manager, like this. First of all, the package name. Any module you have to install in our Node.js application, you have to install with the use of npm. Npm install with their package name, with their respective package name. Like we will install Express, so that then what's the name? Npm install Express, and in the short form npm I Express. I is indicate for the install. So we will give here already we have give the package name Node.js. Enter. Version will be the 1.0.0, and description we can give anything. Login API, login, and entry point will be the index.js, and test command that will be empty. Git repository will also empty. Keywords also empty. My name is Ashish, so I will give author name Ashish. If your name is ISC configuration. See, this is the JSON structure. Name Node.js, version, description, main, scripts, and author, and license ISC. Now you have to just press. Okay. After this, you can check this package.json file will create here. Because of this, we have run npm init. This is the project structure of npm init. Not as a project structure, yeah, but this is the main heart of our project in Node.js. So we will change something here. Okay, we will install Express here. Here you can check there is a Node modules. We will install Express. First I'll give the install. Okay, Express. So here you can check folder will change automatically. See, Node modules plus package.js. You don't have to change anything here on package.js and Node modules, because these are the things in which our locally everything which we are using in our project. Same we will do on our server whenever we will deploy our application on a server. So the second thing is that here, so we have, as you know that we have in the last video we have created one server.js or app.js. So we will use here one app.js. The things which we have done on the last video, same we are doing but in the different method. Okay, so as you know that we have install Express. So how can you use that like that? You have to write this thing and this thing. And now you have to call Express function, this thing, and with that method app dot in this we have to do app dot listen. If you check the last video, we have what we have right here, app dot create server, but with the use of that, and this will be our port, and in this we will give a one function. Okay, and that will be like that. Or you can remove that function as well and give this like console.log server running on port. If you can give this port const port is equal to 3000, then it will be very good for you, and with this method you can use that. Okay, now we will run the application same as we are doing with their name. See, server running on port 3000. So this is the Express method, and in this method with the use of Express framework we will create one server, and with that Express we will create our routing as well. So we will meet in the next lecture. Thanks for the watching.